I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery in Kia Sedona Key Fob Easy Guide. Pry the halves apart at the seam using a flat plastic tool and steady pressure, then remove the circuit and battery carefully. Note the battery orientation before removal and dispose of the old CR2032 properly. Prepare the new battery and align it correctly, then snap the housing shut and test the buttons to confirm full function. Begin by confirming the battery type stamped on the cell and have the new CR2032 ready. Carefully lift the old battery from its clip while supporting the circuit to prevent stress or bending. Place the new battery with the correct polarity facing up and ensure it seats firmly in the contact. Reassemble the fob halves by aligning tabs and snapping them closed, then press each button to verify reliable operation and range. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more straightforward car tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy companion for keeping your garage and car area tidy, and it supports voice control for convenience. I mention it because a clean workspace makes small repairs easier and less frustrating. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After installing the new battery, first test the remote at close range to confirm lock, unlock, and panic functions operate. If a function fails, reopen the fob to inspect contacts for corrosion or misalignment and reseat the battery securely. Clean contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol if needed and retest. If problems persist, consult your vehicle manual for reprogramming steps or seek professional assistance to ensure your key fob communicates properly with the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.